Hello everyone, this is a wonderful Friday morning, afternoon actually. I'm here at the Trafalgar Square and just take it all in, guys. Take it all in. Such a historic place. You have the National Gallery here. You have some really good sculptures out here. You can hear the music in the background. Magnifique. Woo. And this Charing Cross on the ground where I just came from. To Major General Sir Henry Havelock, KCB, and his brave companions in the arms during the campaign in India. Aww. Labors of our heroes past shall never be in vain, innit? Really, really interesting. So this is the lion sculpture. Woo. Please, I don't want children in this my video. So YouTube doesn't clamp down on me, please. Please, no children. Don't climb because people are always trying to start some rubbish out here. Yeah, this is TikTok haven. TikTok and Instagram haven. All right. Really, really interesting. Charles James Napier. Problem. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if I should go into the gallery. Left and tall. I'm not even kidding when I say this is freaky TikTok haven. So these are the people that want to go into the museum, I guess. Interesting. There's pieces of artwork here. These pigeons, they don't fear. Fearless. Oh God. Let me not say anything. Let's see this talented guy.